Are you tired of tripping over your kids' scooters? Finally stop falling over those scooters with this build. This scooter stand was designed for you to be able to complete it within a couple of hours. So first off, we are using a 6-inch board, and I have some measurements marked up on this, but first we're going to cut it to the length. And if you are curious, I do have free plans for this. You can find those in the link below on what the length is and all the other little cuts. After you have the length board cut, you're going to be cutting the actual feet for this, and these are cut at a 55-degree angle. I did do this before on a different one. I did a test board, but the 55-degree angle works the best, so make sure you set your saw to 55 degrees and cut out 2 triangle squares. After those are cut out, you're going to place pocket holes on them, and you're going to place it on the one side that I just showed you to give you the angle that you need when it goes to be set in place. Next, you're going to cut out the notches for the actual scooters. This is where the scooters will go into. And I recommend using a jigsaw for this. I'm using my miter saw to give me my straight edge to start me out. After this, I'll be switching over to the jigsaw. And I do recommend, it's a great idea to make sure that you are clamped. This board is clamped into place, but I didn't have a great place to clamp it, so I am just going slowly and making sure that I am setting it on top of something that will give me a stable base. And I am going to cut out this little notch. This notch is actually 2.5 inches by 2 inches deep. And if you're wondering, it is 3 inches from the edge to that starting cut line, and then there are 5 inches in between each notch. Okay, so I've got everything cut out and the pocket holes created. I'm using 1.25 inch screws. These are outdoor screws. So now I'm just gonna hurry and attach this on right here, and then we'll see if it works. Okay, so let's test it out. And if you're noticing, I did tell you that I did a test first, and this is a test that didn't work properly. So I did some switches and some changes, and that was that 55-degree angle, but also I added these front little pieces. These are 3-inch, and the bottom is cut at a 30-degree angle, and I just pocket hold those into place just to give it a little more stability with the wheels, and it made it the perfect solution because placing these into place was so much easier once you did this. It required really no effort whatsoever. My kids can do it very easily, and you can do it with your hands full as well.